Let's start with the basics. What is an appeal? In the Medicare dispute world there are two related categories, grievances and appeals. A grievance is an expression of dissatisfaction. The doctor was rude, I didn't like the receptionist, cannot afford this bill, are all examples of grievances. With a grievance, you are not saying that the claim or bill was incorrect but that some part of the service was not satisfactory. The last quote is worth focusing on. I cannot afford this bill, in the Medicare world, means that you believe the charges are correct but due to financial hardship, you are not able to pay the bill. Zoom in on that statement, financial hardship. That's the key phrase Medicare is looking for to determine if your bill might be reduced or paid. There is no need to detail your living expenses or reveal your income, though that may possibly be necessary later. You simply need to communicate that you understand the bill is correct but you cannot afford to pay the charges because it would create a financial hardship. This is not a magic phrase and does not guarantee the bill will be reduced, but it's a starting point. Grievances are complex and really are outside the scope of this writing. An appeal is a different category, usually handled by a different team. Appeals are much more specific. The co-payment is not correct, I was told this would pay as in-network, and I already paid my co-payment but my provider sent me a bill, are all examples of appeals. Example: you need to visit your primary care physician for a routine checkup. You called customer service and they told you that the co-payment would be $10. A little while after the visit you received an explanation of benefits from your insurance company. Those are the documents detailing the payments made and usually say this is not a bill. Your explanation of benefits says that your share of the service is $50. Is this the evil insurance company up to their old tricks? No, what may have happened is that your primary care physician has multiple specialties. This means that not only are they a general practitioner, they are also a specialist, for example an ear, nose and throat doctor. When the claim billed, the computer saw the specialty and assessed the incorrect co-payment. Very common and very easy to fix and your insurance company should be happy to correct the error. Another example, your in-network provider referred you to a specialist who is out of network. You called customer service and asked how much your co-payment would be for that specialist. They told you $50. After the visit you receive an explanation of benefits that says you owe $253. What happened? This is another common error. In most cases, if a specialist is referred by an in-network provider, that specialist should be billed as in-network. In this example, failed to correctly identify the referral and billed the claim as out-of-network, which usually has a higher co-payment, something like 40% of the billed charges. This would be another easy claim to reprocess. One side note, you'll notice I mentioned in both examples that you called your insurance company's customer service line before you went to the doctor. This is one of the best ways to avoid having to file an appeal in the first place. Insurance is a constantly changing business. By calling customer service first, you are getting the most accurate up-to-date information about your benefits. A good policy is to note that long reference number they give you at the end of each call. Even if the information is incorrect, most insurance companies will reprocess the claim if you can show them that you were given incorrect information. I spoke with customer service, reference 123-456-7899, and they said the co-payment was $50 for this service. If I get this note, I will be happy. I will pull the phone call and listen to the conversation you had with customer service. If they told you the wrong benefit, the insurance company will usually honor what was said. It's okay if you don't have that reference number, but it is helpful if you do. In summary, a grievance is a complaint regarding the service received. An appeal is a complaint regarding the way a claim paid. For more information on appeals and grievances, click the links to Medicare in the description of this video.